My home builder power washed my house and killed one of my UniFi cameras. So here's what happens when you blast a weatherproof security camera with a pressure washer, and how I brought it back from the dead. This is a UniFi G3 Dome. It's one of Ubiquity's older cameras, but a lot of people have it, including myself, and still run these outside because they're cheap, reliable, and part of the UniFi ecosystem. Now, these are marketed as outdoor cameras, but outdoor doesn't mean it's indestructible. The G3 Dome camera carries an IPX4 rating, which means it can handle splashing water from any direction like rain, snow, but it was never built for a direct, high-pressured blast. After the crew had power washed the siding of my house, including my camera, the feed dropped, and I figured it was a fluke, so I gave it a reboot. Nothing happened. Time to pull it down and take a closer look. I disconnected the camera from the mount, cracked it open, and that's not supposed to be in there. So there is some water trapped inside the lens. I had to empty this out. So I drained out all the water that was inside this camera, wiped inside and out the lens. I actually put the camera to sit in the sun for a little bit just because I thought there might be areas that were still wet. Once the water gets past the seal and pools around the board, it's a matter of when, not if, something shorts out. I dried it out as best as I can. I wiped down the housing, I let it air out, sit in the sun for a little bit, and then I put everything back together. I was expecting it to come online, so I plugged it in. The lights showed that it was coming up. But when I jumped back inside, took a look at my screen, there was nothing coming through, just a white screen like you can see right here. So I know that there is power getting to this. There's just something else that's going on where it doesn't allow me to see an image. So on to the next fix. This is going to be the rice bag fix. I know this is what people do with phones and other electronics when they get wet. Figure can't go wrong doing this with my camera. Quick side note after doing some research. I want this video to be actually useful and not repeat some internet folklore. The rice doesn't actually pull the water away from electronics the way people think it does. What it's actually doing is it's helped giving the camera a long, uninterrupted stretch of time to fully air dry before I power it back on. The rice bag is really just a convenient place that's semi-sealed to let that happen. If you're doing this yourself, open up the device, dry it out as best as you can with a cloth, and then let it sit disassembled in front of a fan. That works just as well. A lot of repair techs online and in person have confirmed this, and I think it's important to state that. So now let's get it out of the rice bag. I left it in this bag for about 2 days. I later took it out, cleaned it off, and let's go ahead and test this back out. We plugged it back in. We have a power light on here, and we'll give it a second to boot up. And there we go. So we have it back up and running. Really happy about this. My camera is now working. So here's the thing. Now that I'm in this situation, I don't trust this camera to be fully weatherproof anymore. Once water gets past the seal, I'm going to have a bigger problem. I'm lucky that I got it up and running right now. So in order to avoid corrosion and everything else, I'm going to make sure I put this camera in an area which is not going to be directly hit by the elements anymore. And also going to be keeping power washes away. That's how I got this back up and running. These UniFi cameras are excellent cameras. I highly recommend them. I'm going to be installing more around my house. If you thought this video was useful, please smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.